Scientists have discovered thousands of mutations in SARS-CoV-2 virus.
On coronavirus and possible mutations now. Scientists around the world.
Researchers in the UK found almost 200 recurrent genetic mutations.
Mutation is a change in DNA sequences. It's part of the virus life cycle. And in case of COVID-19 or SARS-CoV-2 virus, mutation has already begun.
It's not a match.
Exactly.
Viruses are mutated and it will be mutated. But there is no need to panic. This doesn't mean the virus is going to be deadlier or scarier threat to the humanity. All the viruses are mutated. For example, flu virus. They are constantly mutated. Its frequent changes hard for your body to recognize and fend off the virus. And that's why we need every year new flu vaccine. And in case of 2019 coronavirus, it's come from bats to a pangolin before beating man. And scientifically, it's called zoonotic transmission. The new coronavirus is an RNA virus, genetic material packed inside the protein shell. RNA is one of the building blocks of life. It carries its genetic code in a 4-base pair: adenine, guanine, uracil, cytosine, by enzyme RNA polymerase. Now, this coded messenger RNA determines the order of amino acid sequence in a protein. A viral mutation happens, the order of amino acid changes in protein. So let's look at how exactly mutation occurs. Once the virus enters the cell cytoplasm, virus genetic material leaves the sac and enters the nucleus. Inside the nucleus, an enzyme called RNA polymerase can copy its genetic material. Sometimes during replication, mistake or error can occur and they can't fix them and mutation can occur. Now this genetic material gets out of the nucleus and attaches to the ribosome, which are the protein building parts of your cells. Ribosome use information of genetic material to make other viral protein. The packaging structure in the cell, called Golgi apparatus, carries this protein in a vesicle. All the parts together to create new virus just beneath your cell membrane. The new mutated virus bud off from the cell membrane and infect other cells. The test has been developed to detect COVID-19 may have to be changed over time, so they can also identify mutated version of the virus. And if you track all these mutations, it will also help us to develop vaccines to fight the COVID-19.